Yo, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so little bit of a correction from yesterday. Really, just low volume over the weekend, which is kind of what we were expecting, anyways, right? We saw a nice pump all week. All week, we pumped very nicely, right? If we go to the weekly, look at that. Nice week. Okay, little bit of a minor correction over the weekend here. No big deal. The average, I would say, somewhere around, I don't know, somewhere, let's say 6% average, maybe something like that, 6 or 7% average. Not bad, not bad. We maintain this. We'll see what happens tomorrow, guys, in the weekly close. That's kind of, what's going to be a good indicator. And maybe if we get a good close on the weekly time frame, then, we're going to see, I think we're going to see more green next week like we saw this week, right? So, it's going to continue now, guys. I told you guys, May, June, July, August, September, possibly into October. It's going to look good. But what you have to understand here, though, guys, that doesn't mean that it's just straight up and no minor corrections. Days like this are going to happen, right? So you have to be prepared for that as well. These are minor DCAing opportunities, right? There might be even a little bit deeper corrections in this moving forward as we work our way up there. Those are buying opportunities, in my opinion. So just be prepared for that, guys. Right? Be prepared for that. It's gonna be a fun 4 or 5 months, right? I'm looking forward to it. Okay, let's get into this here. What do we got? Jasmine down 4.2% on the day, up 25% on the week, 41% on the month, and down 5% on the year. Down one spot in rank to 77. $868 million market cap, 80 million in volume. Really stuffy today, guys. Really stuffy. Swiftcoin, what do we got? Up 0.5% on the day, up 4% on the week, 34.8 on the month, and 180 on the year. Down two spots in rank to 267, $143 million market cap, and 1.96 million in volume. See, yeah, the volume has dropped like, yesterday it was like 4.75 million. It's down to 1.96. Volume has completely dropped off a cliff. But we were expecting that for the weekend, right? So again, that's not unexpected, right? There's usually not much trading going on weekends. So Onyxcoin XCN down 6.5 on the day, up 7.2 on the week, up 85.7 on the month, and 806% on the year. We're down 5 spots in rank to 97 with a $658 million market cap, 54 million in volume. And ZBEC up 2.1% on the day, down 7 on the week, 4.5 on the month, and 66 on the year. Up 4 spots in rank to 409, $75 million market cap, 10.74 million in volume. All right, let's go have a look at Bitcoin. All right, so little tiny red candle going on right now, sitting at 94,000. If we do see a deeper correction, we seem to be above our golden pocket here, this 94K level. If we do come back down inside of here, I wouldn't be shocked, guys, to see by the end of the candle later tonight, we got 7 hours and 24 minutes, 23 minutes left of this daily candle. I wouldn't be surprised if we came down and then wicked all the way right back up again, just like we did here. Look at the buying pressure of the last 3 days on Bitcoin. Bulls are just stepping in and saying, you're not pushing us down, right? You are not pushing us down. The buying pressure has been phenomenal. I love to see that. That is fantastic. So I don't think we're coming. If we do come down, for me, the first level of support is going to be somewhere right around here, $91,000. I think we could hold there. Yeah, it's kind of what I'm watching there. I think we'll get caught there and we'll maintain. I think we make our next leg up next week, guys. I think we're retesting 97, 98K right in here by next week. we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But if we go over and we look at the liquidation levels, check it out. So over on Binance, the shorts are starting to pile up more than the longs, which is, pretty good. But they're not very much. Not much leverage going on right now, guys, honestly. Only about $389 million in shorts would get liquidated if we get to $97,329, right? It's not a lot. It's not a lot of money to get liquidated, and there's even less on the long side. If we drop down to 92K, only 263 million would get liquidated. So, I mean, when it starts getting up around $1 billion and stuff like that, that's when that's when you're starting to run risk of seeing either a short squeeze or a long squeeze. But I don't really see that happening right now. So, yeah. But anyway, let's get into some of the news here, shall we? Moonwell, check it out. Boom. Moonwell DeFi staking snapshot today. This was taken today. Current APY 20%, much higher than before. Sample total well staked 500,000 well. Current well price 3 cents. Global well staked 868 million. TVL is growing in the ecosystem, guys. If you want to learn how to make passive income through DeFi staking protocols, through node operations, and all kinds of stuff like that, get over to the Patreon. We are looking into that kind of stuff like crazy. Moonwell, one of our favorite projects over on the Patreon as well. We got into that one nice and early, guys. Make sure you do too. You want to get in early on these projects, guys. You don't want to get into them when everybody else is already talking about them. You want to get in them way before that. That's where the gains are made, guys. That's where the gains are made. So, yeah. Anyway, APY 20%, guys. 20%. You absolutely love it. All right. Before we continue on, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Get yourselves one today, guys. I personally have 5 of them. You can get yourself the Decent Biometric Wallet or just the Decent Card Wallet. Complete solution for your crypto and your NFTs. Absolutely fantastic, guys. I love it. You can do your swaps right on your wallets. You can swap to stablecoin, taking profits without ever having to move over to a centralized exchange. And your crypto stays safe in your own custody. Exchanges can't freeze your ability to trade because of bank runs on the exchange. Now, listen, this is exactly what happens, guys. When it's altcoin season, when everything's going parabolic, exchanges will actually freeze everyone's ability to trade. You can't buy, you can't sell, you can't convert, you can't take profits because they say that the volume is too high, so their servers can't handle it, right? So then you watch your portfolio go all the way up, and then you watch it come all the way down because you can't take profits. Everything's frozen. They won't let you do anything. And then a week later, they unfreeze it when your portfolios come back down 30, 40, maybe even 50% from where it was. So that's why it's important to have self-custody where you can swap, take profits when you want to without an exchange freezing your ability to trade. Don't believe me? Take a risk. Go ahead. But I'm telling you right now, 2021's bull run, every single major exchange did it. Every single time we had a big run up in that market cycle, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, every single exchange froze your ability to trade. Nope, sorry, can't take profits. The volume's too high. Our servers can't handle it. We had to freeze everyone's ability to trade. Can you imagine how infuriating that is? Well, if you don't take custody of your crypto and take control, you're going to experience just how frustrating that's going to be. So check it out, guys. Use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. Okay, and what do we have? We got some Onyxcoin news. Little Onyxcoin article. Let's get into this. XCN surges 20% as smart money signals bullish momentum. As the altcoin price climbs, technical analysis reveals a rise in accumulation from large investors, often called smart money. signaling increased optimism about the token's short-term price growth. The surge in institutional interest is evident in XCN's climbing smart money index, the SMI, as the token price rallied over the past week. Its SMI has also climbed and currently stands at 0.91. The SMI indicator tracks the trading activity of institutional investors, often considered smart money. It analyzes intraday price movements, focusing on the first and last trading hours. When the SMI rises alongside an asset's price, major investors are accumulating positions, indicating confidence in the asset's upward trend. This alignment between XCN, SMI, and its price rally is a bullish signal, reflecting strong market sentiment and potential for a continued price increase. Moreover, reading from XCN's moving average, convergence divergence, or the MACD indicator, support this bullish outlook. At press time, the token's MACD, which is the blue line, rests above the signal line, which is the orange line. This crossover is typically interpreted as a bullish signal, suggesting upward momentum is gaining strength. It indicates that XCN's recent buying pressure is outpacing historical averages, which could lead to continued price gains. On the daily chart, XCN's token rests solely above the 20-day exponential moving average. This key moving average forms dynamic support below the token's price at 1 cent 7. An asset's 20-day EMA measures an asset's average price over the past 20 trading days, giving weight to recent prices. When an asset's price trades above this indicator, the bulls have market control as buying pressure outweighs sell-offs. If the trend persists for XCN, its price could break above resistance at 2 cents 3 and climb towards 2 cents 8. Should the bulls flip this level into support, XCN could reclaim 3 cents 3. However, a surge in profit-taking activity will invalidate this bullish projection. In that scenario, the XCN token value could plunge below its 20-day EMA at 1 cent 7 and fall towards 2075. Oof, Maron, that would not be good. That would not be good. But it's more likely we see the upside than the downside. So absolutely fantastic. So listen, guys, as we get closer and closer to the parabolic part of this bull run, right? I've been getting asked this question more and more often. Rob, when should I take profits? When should I be selling this? What's your exit price point for Jasmy, for Onyxcoin, for ZBEC, for SwiftCoin, for whatever project, right? When should I be taking profits, Rob? Well, guys, listen. What we're doing over on the Patreon, as things start to go parabolic, we have a group Zoom window that we open up every single Friday night, or well, every single night, really. But every Friday night we do open mic. So anyway, we open this group Zoom call over on the Patreon, okay? And during the parabolic part of the bull run, we're going to be leaving this window open for 12 to 15 hours a day so that everybody is getting the help that they need in real time. They're able to hop on and ask me in real time, Rob, this is what I'm holding. This is what I got in at. These are my profits. When should I be taking profits? Should I be selling now? What should I roll these profits into? Should I wait longer? Is the price going to go higher? Guys, if you're new to crypto and you don't know whether you should be exiting or not and when you should be exiting, if you're scared you're going to sell too soon or you're going to hold too long, it's very important that you get over to the Patreon, guys, and you join these group calls because we're going to be there in real time to help you figure it out. We're going to be there to hold your hand through this, right? We will not be doing it for free over on YouTube, okay? We won't be doing it for free there. So if you can come on the live streams and ask me till you're blue in the face if I think you should be taking profits, I'm not going to tell you, right? That sort of feature is exclusive for the Patreon community, okay? So get over there, guys, and join the live streams. And look, you can also book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. If you require something a little more one-on-one, you can book your one-on-one coaching calls with me over there. They're free as a Patreon member. So get over there, get yours booked in. And listen, when things are going parabolic, when things are going euphoria everywhere, guys, everyone's telling you you're going higher and stuff. I watched tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people get wrecked in the 2021 bull run because the larger channels were telling everybody that 2022 was going to be a massive bull run and it was going to be bigger than 2021. And guess what? Everybody got wrecked because that did not happen, right? So if you want help, if you need help, and trust me, if you've never done this before, you need help. You're either going to sell too soon and then you're going to watch prices go parabolic and you're going to hate yourself for it, or you're going to hold on too long and then your sell orders are not going to fill because there's more sell orders in the market than there is buy orders. So there's not enough liquidity for you to take profits and you're stuck holding your crypto for 4 more years. Don't let this happen to you guys. Come on over to the Patreon. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.